Hi loves, welcome back to another Memory Keeping Monday video. I'm so excited for this one. I really love how it turned out and it's a little bit different from what I usually do. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be using this beautiful washi tape from the Pink Room. Cindy has amazing washi tapes, you guys. So I'm going to be using this. I'm so excited to use her other ones in my other videos, but yeah, for this one, I'm using this beautiful kind of like florally one with the gold bows. It's beautiful. And then this is the sticker book I'm using. I'm pulling out my stickers like usual. And here I am. I'm placing the full box stickers on top, like all the way across. And I really love how this looks. So it's like a quote and then a pattern, a quote and a pattern type of deal. And I really love it. I think it looks great. And you know, the quotes kind of like give it a little bit more of an oomph, if that makes sense. I think it looks so cool. I really like how this turned out. And then once I have all the full box stickers, I'm gonna go in with the washi tape like I usually do. So again, the washi tape is from the Pink Room. I will link it for you guys down below. The Pink Room has beautiful washi tapes, so definitely check them out, you guys. They have a ton of them, and they're all really, really pretty and great quality. I really like how this one is like really easy to unroll. I don't know if that's the kind of word I want to use for it, but it's so easy to apply. And I'm using my X-Acto knife to cut it precisely. And yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm just placing it on kind of like where the borders are, or whatever you call them. So I'm doing the same thing onto the other side, and look, it looks so cute already with all those full box stickers on top. I just love this. So I'm probably gonna do this type of planning or decorating in the future too, but yeah, we'll see. I really like how this turned out. So anyways, once I have all the washi tape down, I'm gonna go in with the photos. And like usual, I already have all mine cut down. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go in and place the photos where they go. This week that I'm decorating right now is a good one. The week before this, we had a rough week, so I skipped that. Even though I do have a spread for it, but it just wasn't a good week to really kind of talk about. But this week, my husband is recovering from his surgery, so yeah, there's a lot of time spent together this week, I guess. But it was a good week overall. Tom recovered really good, and Liam, you know, kept me company and stuff like that. And yeah, it was a good week, you guys. Anyways, I really like how this turned out. I feel like I didn't print off a lot of photos for this week. I'm trying not to do that. Like before, I would print like so many pictures per week, like at least 10 sheets per week, and it's crazy. It's a lot. So I'm trying to minimize it and like print at least 7 sheets of photos per week, so I can save some money, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is it. I also used a little box right there. I'm not sure what they're called, kind of like half boxes from the Happy Planner. And I really like it because it gives me a space to write in and also kind of like decorative at the same time. So yeah, they have some of that too, and I used it in this one and I really like it. And then I'm going in with these stickers. These, I don't remember where they're from. I found them on Blitsy, and it's kind of like a baby set type of stickers, and I'm just taking a few from there. And yeah, I guess really cute stickers. I don't really know what else to talk about. I really hope you guys have been liking these videos. I think they're so therapeutic. Sometimes I feel like I shouldn't do a voiceover, but I know you guys like me doing voiceovers, and I don't know why. But you know, if you don't like my voiceovers, you can always mute it, like mute the video, and then play a different song in the background, you know, whatever song you want, and then just watch. And that way it'll be more therapeutic for you, you know what I mean? So yeah, but let me know, do you guys prefer my voiceovers, me just talking about random stuff, or do you prefer just me using music or something? Let me know. This right here is a sheet from that baby sticker set that I got. Honestly, don't know the brand. I wish I do. But I really like this sheet because it has like really cute baby quotes. And if you hear little baby babbles, Liam is actually sitting here on my lap. This is my first time doing a voiceover with him in the same room, let alone on my lap. So hopefully he stays kind of quiet. He's doing really good right now, and we're almost done. But yeah, so I'm just placing some stars here and there. Again, this sticker sheet has really cute stickers, like baby stickers. Also, by the way, I'm sorry if you can see my head here and there. I'm kind of doing a different setup here on my crafting table in my office. It's a little different, so I'm trying to figure out my setup for my camera. I also, maybe I should just get one of those tripods that film horizontally or whatever, because right now I'm just using a normal tripod and it's so hard to film these Plan With Me videos. But anyways, that is pretty much it, you guys. I don't really know what else to talk about. Like usual, I will have photos of my spreads on my Insta story, so that will be linked for you guys down below, and it will be in the highlights, so it's there forever. Yeah, I guess check out the description box down below. And that's it. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Love you guys so much, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye!